Hello friends. In this video, we will start learning Infraworks 2025 and this is going to be the first video of the series. In this video, we will learn how we can create uh, a model from model builder, okay, wherever we need. So I have already decided upon a site and then let me show you first. So when you open the Infraworks, you will have an interface, something like that. If you don't have any model open before, then you will have the sample models, okay? And if you have other models that you have opened previously, obviously these will be available, okay? And these indicate that they are available locally, okay? This icon indicates it is available locally. And if you hover over them, you can see the location, okay. If you right click, then you will have option to open, duplicate, delete, and remove from recent. Also same option is available here from where you have the three dots. If you just click on it, you will have this option. Another thing is here you will see a setting option. This is highlighted when it's over. So if you click on it, then you can either choose what to display here. Only these two stuff we have, like model type. If you just uncheck it, this will not display. And last, modify this. Okay, so I will just keep it there. These are important. Another thing, like right now it's list view. Okay, you can change the view so that you have a small preview of the model. Okay, okay. So better is list for me. So in this tutorial, we will start from the model builder. Okay, so let's click on the model builder, and it will pop up option. Here you have to it will pop up option and you have to go to the and when you are zoomed out like perfectly outside like the way I am, so in this option it will say like selected area is too long, please reduce the length than 300 kilometers. Okay, so this is the range that it can select. Okay, so for this and you will have here different ways to select the area, okay, that you want to model. And let's first go to search a location. I want to search this Sun Juan. What is that? San Juan. Okay, San Juan River, and it's in California. Okay, Utah County. It's here. Okay, so we just click it, and it will take me to the location. Okay, very good. This is fine, but let's change the view from here up here top right part. Here you will have option. If you just click on it, then this will change the background view. Okay, depending upon the area. Let's zoom it a little bit. It will take some time depending on your internet usage. So okay, this one changed, and if you want to switch back to the previous mode, then again you click on it, and then you will switch. Actually, you have a little preview. You see here right now you have a preview that it will switch to that particular mode. So it's terrestrial mode. I will switch back, and it's better for understanding. Okay. So this is the river that I was talking about. It is not a river. Let's find a river. Okay, here we have a river somewhere here. Okay, and let's find for this tutorial sake, I will just choose a location so that we can model a few things and learn from that. Use for the learning. Okay. Okay, cool. So I think this is the road. There's a road here. Okay, let me just wait for a while. Okay, here we have a highway. Very good. So this one is within our range, and you see this is the scale. They show you the scale. Okay, so I will just you have a different way to select it. So you can either this one is selected. So this selects the current map. Okay, this selects the current map. Okay, and then you can type in your model name and the description, and then click on create. But we can also draw a rectangle like this, and this is selected. This part will be available for you. The model builder will use this part and later send you through email, whichever email you are logged into the Autodesk Infraworks. Okay. Then there is another option for draw polygon. So you can actually draw polygon. This is also very useful so that the area uh, that is useful for you can be uh, traced. Okay. Then there is another option, import a polygon. You can actually import a polygon also. Okay. So for this particular, I will just draw a rectangle here. Okay, from this part, I will draw a rectangle from this part here. Okay, cool. So the rectangle is drawn, and I think this much would be enough for me to for this tutorial purpose. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just keep it like that. And let me just keep this road intersection also. Okay, this much would be fine, I think. Okay, okay, cool. Then I will just rename this like infra tutorial. Okay, and description. If I want, I can put it, or and I will leave it like that. Okay, then comes the coordinate section, cell system. So you have to select a coordinate system that is also available in Civil 3D. Okay, so that we can, it's better that we can, or you can, define a custom coordinate system on Civil 3D and this one as well, so that you can model can be interoperable between the InfraWorks and the Civil 3D. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and check for this USA, which coordinates here you have, if you are unsure, then you can check LL84. Okay. So for this tutorial purpose, I will just use LL84. Okay. So let's go ahead in the Civil 3D. Here, I will just click a command, edit drawing settings. Okay. And hit enter. So here you have option to select the. So right now, in this, if you I will just say not selected, you will go to the selection and you will have all these options available. Okay, so I will, for this tutorial, I will just go to the UT. I will go to this auto, or I will go to the world slash continental. Okay, and here I will choose LL84. Okay, as it was recommended. Okay, let's see if this is available in Civil 3D or not. So let's go to Civil 3D, and then we choose here world continental. Okay, world slash continental. Okay, and here let's so here the code will not be available here. In the InfraWorks you have the code. Okay, this is the code and the description. On the Civil 3D you have to look for the description, but the code is not available. Okay, so we go to the Civil 3D and check which description matches this WGS 84 datum, latitude, longitude, and degrees. Okay, so let's see, WGS 84 latitude, longitude, and degree. So this one here matches it. Okay, so I apply and say okay. So our coordinate system for the drawing in Civil 3D is set. Okay, and then in InfraWorks we selected that. We select on this after continental and then say okay. Okay, so that one is selected. Very good. So, and also there is a option here. Now, once you have finished selecting your coordinate system, the create model option will be highlighted. Now you are ready to create your model. And just remember one thing, once you have created the coordinate system, it cannot be changed. Okay, so that's what it is saying. Okay, very good. And we create a model. So let's create model. Now it will show an option. It will prepare your model and then will send you by email. Okay, notify, and there will be an option and it will send you. Okay, let's say continue. So I have option to draw another and check and create another model. Okay, for right now I will just close it. Okay, cool. But next time when you launch it, let's close the InfraWorks and then relaunch it. Okay. So as we created a model, it's available as model builder here. It's still model builder, and it will send you a notification through email that you are logged in, the event that you have used to log in for the InfraWorks here. Okay. So guys, we'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Till then, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and have a great time.